Hey y'all, welcome back to the Artsy Studio. Yesterday's stream, we traced some new designs onto the frame. We have a cauldron rug, an ice cream cone rug, and then something that we're calling a bubble. I kind of just like drew up a swirly, and then everybody in chat was like, it looks like a bubble, so it's a bubble now. What I also want to do with the space here is some keyboard rugs. Or rather like a wrist pad, because since we started playing games recently on PC, I realized that I'm a grandma and I need a wrist pad for my wrists when I'm playing games because it kind of hurts. So I've made this kind of like template, I guess. We were going to trace one of the designs for the keyboard rugs onto the frame yesterday, but Gina suggested doing a like mock-up with a piece of paper, which is a genius idea, to make sure that I could like kind of visualize it, like put it on my keyboard, see how big it is and stuff, take it off of my keyboard and have it be like a wrist pad and make sure that it's not in the way of like the mouse and stuff like that. So I have come up with this template. So we're going to trace this onto the frame. You're like a bobblehead on there. I'm hoping to fit, yeah, that'll be fine. I'm hoping to fit two. Okay. Ta-da! See if I can fit it. Ooh, it's a little bit close. It's a little bit close. Should I just go for it and do it anyway? Should have moved it more to that side. Oh well, what's done is done. I mean, I can get in the middle of that and fold those down. It's this. It's a little scary. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to trace this onto a piece of cardboard at some point. There we go. Ta-da! Wow. Getting in the middle of those is going to be so fun. I do also have my projector on a tripod. So we're going to try to trace my design. Are y'all seeing the design? Look at that. It's going to be so small. Oh gosh. Wow. I mean, at least it'll be kind of quick, right? Should label the colors. I like. All right, here we have the final frame. I ended up moving the like keyboard rug here to down there because it's just too close. There's not enough fabric there, and then it's also kind of an issue here. So I decided to move it, and then I put some community squares there instead. This is my other keyboard rug design, so it's just like spider webs and a moon and star and sparkles. But yeah, this is our full frame. I'm pretty excited about it. There's a lot of community squares on there, so I'm excited to have stream be able to claim those. Okay, so I did end up putting my large black table away. And I don't feel like pulling it out again. And I forgot that I still need to glue down the like final edges of this piece. We did like glue the center of it, but I do need to like trim and finally cut or finally glue the edges on this rug. So we're going to do that now, and we're going to do it on the floor. Hey yo, morning. I'm trying to wake the F up. First of all, look at all the progress that we made yesterday on the stream with the cauldron rug. Look how beautiful. Here, let me bring you closer. Look at it. It's perfection. It's coming out too good. It's so cute. And if you are a part of the Discord, then I posted some like shots or pictures rather. Shots, pictures, same thing. I don't know. Of the other side in the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, you should be. It's like really fun and cool. Okay. What I want to do today is we need to stamp like a whole bunch of these tags because both the cherry rug, and we finished the 3D moss flowery rug. So I want to like do these tags so that they can be done, you know, so that I can take pictures of them finally and list them, which I'm kind of nervous about, but you know, let's do the thing. I'm gonna get through so many of these. What did I say we had? Like 70 or 80? Just as a refresher, I am using, what is this? Fabric ink. So it's not gonna like wash off or anything. Wow. Next. Cute. This one's perfect. Wow. Nice. So how are y'all doing? How's life? It's finally spring where I am. Well, I mean like springish, summerish now. It's getting pretty toasty in my room. Also, my like filming vibe or mentality or however you want to call it is very much in like stream mode now where I'm like, make conversation. So let me know how y'all are doing. Wow, these are like really crisp and beautiful. Hello, we're done. I did all 70 or 8, I can't remember, was it 70? 70 tags in like an hour. Pretty fantastic. So what I thought we could do is a little bit of tufting. And this is the rug keyboard. The keyboard rug that we traced on here yesterday. So I thought we could get started on all the sparkles. This looks like a complicated design, but it's really not. It's a bunch of like sparkles and dots, and then just like pink, blue, and purple. Swirl, wavy, you know? Also, say hello to Bob. What do you think you're doing? I keep forgetting that this design is going to be like facing this way. It's not going to be like facing this way. So I feel like all of my sparkles, the way that they're shaped, here, come closer. The way that they're shaped is kind of facing like this way. Does that make sense? So with this one, I'm trying to face it that way. There, I feel like that's better. Y'all, we didn't. Look how cute it is. Look how cute it is. It's adorable. It's so like happy and I love it. So yeah, this is gonna be like a keyboard rug. I can't remember if I explained it on here, but it's for like, it's basically a wrist pad. I did explain it, didn't I? I did. Anyway, I'm pretty excited about it. I'm happy that we got the entire thing done in one go. So much progress is happening on the frame. So quickly too. It's growing up so fast. I think though I am going to end this video here. Thank y'all very much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. You can follow me in all these places. It is usually at Artsymadwoman besides Twitch and Tumblr, which is the Artsymadwoman. And also you can join the Discord. If you're having trouble with like not getting notifications for the Twitch lives, you can join the Discord because we do have like you'll get a notification in there. I think that's how that works. Anyway, join the Discord. It's a great place to be. I'll put a link for that down below along with everything else. Everything will be linked down below. Also, I still have some beanies left if you're interested. I'll put my website link down in the description as well. Very soon, the cherry rug and the 3D like moss flowery rug will be live. I don't know quite yet. I still need to get the tags on, obviously, and all that thing. So my camera's overheating. It's been filming for 2 minutes. It's probably because of the time lapse. Anyway, I love y'all to absolute death, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.